Hello, welcome to my channel. In this episode we're going to be changing a serpentine belt. It's called auxiliary belt, alternator belt. It has quite a few different names, but it serves the same purpose. Okay, so first thing first, we need to take a wheel off, and we need to take this part of wheel arch off. Okay, held in place with a few clips. So we have to take them off now. I'll put you somewhere in here using a pick tool and a clip removal tool. You can just rip them off. Now this part's supposed to come up. Well, this is apparently how we're supposed to take them off. But anyway, by now it's all very old and brittle. And it gives us an access. Take this panel off. Okay. Our belt. Now to loosen your auxiliary belt, what you have to do, it's a 16mm nut, and it looks like a nut. Okay, so only put socket in there, ratchet, a bit of an extension to give me a good leverage, and then just pull it to your left, okay, towards the end of the car. And this loosening your belt so you can take it off. Okay. Totally understand. Now, the new belt goes in. Okay, ideally you want to change this tensioner pulley as well, but my motor factors didn't have it, so it might be a job for another time. Okay, but for now, this is it. Just make sure it sits in the grooves. You see the grooves in here? It sits properly. Okay. top, just in here. And yeah, this is it. I'm gonna have to start the car now and check how it works. And this is how you change your auxiliary belt. Okay, so guys, thank you ever so much for watching my videos. And if you found it helpful, please give me a like, drop me a comment, and subscribe for more. Cheers.